Hello students, in previous video we have learned how to reduce the fraction into the lowest term. Now today we will learn how to compare the fractions. So in previous class we have learned how to compare the like fractions, that is the fractions which have same denominators. So to compare the like fractions what we have to do, हमें सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर्स देखने हैं, जिस फ्रैक्शन का न्यूमरेटर ग्रेटर होगा वो फ्रैक्शन हमारा ग्रेटर होता है. एंड अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस वी हैव कंपेयर्ड द अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस विद सेम न्यूमरेटर. तो हम अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस, दीज आर अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस बट हियर द न्यूमरेटर्स आर सेम. यू कैन सी हियर 3 3, both the numerators are same. So in such type of cases we see the denominators. Greater the denominator, smaller will be the value of the fractional number. That means just denominator, जिसका denominator greater होगा वो fraction उतना ही दूसरे fraction से छोटा होगा. For example here 3/10 and 3/8. Here numerators are same but denominators are 10 and 8. So here 10 is greater than 8. So the fraction 3/8 is greater. Let us take one more example, 4/12 and 4/15. Now here again the numerators are same and we have to see the denominators now. So 15 is greater than 12. So 15 greater है, तो that means fractions 4/12 आपका बड़ा होगा. So in this way we have already learned how to compare the like fractions and unlike fraction with same denominator. But now in this class we will compare the unlike fractions having don't have same numerators. For example 3/4 and 5/8. So you can see here both the fractions are unlike और इसमें numerators भी equal नहीं है. Now how can we compare these types of fractions? So there are two methods to compare them. First one is a quick method to compare the fraction. First of all we will discuss that and then we will discuss the second method by taking the LCM. So in first method 1, here we have to compare the fractions. Let us see how can we compare. It is by cross multiplication. We will compare this fraction by cross multiplication. This is a cross multiplication method. Here what we have to do, हमें फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन का जो न्यूमरेटर है उसको सेकंड फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और जो फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर है उसे सेकंड फ्रैक्शन के न्यूमरेटर से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. वी विल क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. We will do the cross multiplication. Now multiply it. 3 multiplied by 8 and 4 multiplied by 5. So 3 8s are 24 and 4 5s are 20. So which one is greater, 24 or 20? So here 24 is greater than 20. Now we have to see the numerators. Here 3, in this case 3 is the numerator and in second case 5 is the numerator. So which one is greater, 24? The fraction having 3 numerator is greater than the fraction having 5 numerator. So this shows that 3/4 is greater than 5/8. Now let us take one more example. 7/3 and 5/2. 7/3 and 5/2. Now we will compare these two fractions by cross multiplication method. So here we will cross multiply the fractions. 5 upon 2, we will cross multiply them. So 7 multiplied by 2 and 3 multiplied by 5. So 7 2s are 14 and 3 5s are 15. So we have to see the numerators, 7 here, and in this case 5 is the numerator. So which one is greater, 14 or 15? 15 is greater, and here the numerator is 5. So that means the fraction having numerator 5, फ्रैक्शन जिसका न्यूमरेटर 5 था वो ग्रेटर होगा, और फ्रैक्शन जिसका न्यूमरेटर 7 था वो स्मॉलर होगा. सो हियर 5 upon 2 is greater than 7 upon 3. So in this way we can quickly compare the fraction by using cross multiplication method. But this method is not convenient जब हम more than 2 fractions को compare करते हैं. 2 fractions को compare करते हुए this method is very good, but जब हमें 2 से ज़्यादा fractions को compare करना होता है तब हम दूसरा method use करते हैं, that is by taking LCM. So first of all we will do some questions based on this method, that is question number 1 of worksheet 2. You can see here worksheet 2, compare the fractions by cross multiplication method, the method that we have learned just now. So compare the fraction by cross multiplication method. We will do some questions of this worksheet. So based on this method, worksheet number 2, question number 1. So question is compare the fractions by cross multiplication method. So here is the A part, that is 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4. So here what we have to do is we have to cross multiply them. So 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4, cross multiply them. So 1 multiplied by 4 and 2 multiplied by 1. So 1 4s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So we have to here both the numerators are 1, but we have to see by multiplying this numerator we get 2 value, and by multiplying this numerator we get 4 value. So which one is greater? So this one is greater. So 1 upon 2 is greater than 1 upon 4 because 4 is greater than 2. We can also compare these fractions directly because here the numerators are same. और जब न्यूमरेटर सेम होते हैं आपके अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन में तो हम डायरेक्टली भी चेक कर सकते हैं. हाउ? जिस फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर ग्रेटर होगा वो स्मॉलर होगा, जिसका छोटा होगा वो ग्रेटर होगा जब हमारे न्यूमरेटर्स सेम होते हैं. नाउ लेट अस टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल, दैट इज बी पार्ट. 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. Here again the numerators are equal in B part. We can also compare them directly because numerators are same. So we have to just see the denominator. So जिसका denominator greater होगा वो उतना ही छोटा होगा. So इसको direct भी कर सकते हैं, but here the question is we have to compare by cross multiplication. So cross multiply them. So 3 multiplied by 4, 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So 3 multiplied by 4 and 5 multiplied by 3. So 3 4s are 12 and 5 3s are 15. So which one is greater? 15 is greater. So इसमें हमारा न्यूमरेटर 15 कब आया हमारा? जब हमने इस न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई किया 5 को. So 3 upon 4 is greater than 3 upon 5. So these are of same type. Let us do the C part. 9 upon 10 and 2 upon 5. Now cross multiply them. 9 upon 10, 2 upon 5, cross multiply them. So what will we get? 9 multiplied by 5 and 10 multiplied by 2. So 9 5s are 45 and 10 2s are 20. Which one is greater? 45 is greater. So 45 कब आया हमारे कौन से न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करके आया? 9 वाले न्यूमरेटर से, और ये 2 वाले न्यूमरेटर. सो विच वन इज ग्रेटर? फ्रैक्शन जिसका न्यूमरेटर 9 होगा वो हमारा ग्रेटर है. सो 9 by 10 is greater than 2 upon 5. So in this way you can compare the fraction by cross multiplication method. Let us take one more example. D part. Uh, 4 upon 9, 9 and 5 upon 18. So just cross multiply them. 4 upon 9 and 5 upon 18. Cross multiply them. So we'll get 4 multiplied by 18 and 9 multiplied by 5. So 18 4s are 32, 72 sorry, and 9 5s are 45. Now which one is greater? 72 is greater. So here the numerator is 4 and here the numerator is 5. So which one is greater? The fraction which have numerator 4. So 4 upon 9 is greater than 5 upon 18. I hope now it is clear to you how to compare the fraction by cross multiplication method. This method is very easy and it is also a very quick method of comparing the fraction. And in next video we will learn how to compare the fraction by taking the LCM. Thank you.